there. Welcome back to my channel. For those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And today I'm out in the woods. I am going to be milling some hardwoods that I have cut down. See, what I do is I believe in maximizing tree yield, so I'll always try to keep 8 or what they call 1 to 2 logs off the stump, which is 16 feet, right? 16 feet is a log, I do believe. So I keep those and I burn the rest of the tree as firewood. So I try to maximize whatever I can out of the lumber, right? And right over here to the left is my lumber pile. Okay, so I'm going to finish setting up the mill, and we're going to start logging and see what we can do. Alright, so what I do, I want quarter sawn. I don't want riff, just quarter. So I split it in half, set it upright, and then start slicing into it. And most of it's all quarter sawn. It's the best way to get out of a small log, quarter sawn lumber. So this is what I'm getting, my quarter sawn stuff, right? Okay? So as you can tell, all the grain's going this way. Beautiful lumber. It's maple, right? These make great stairs or cabinetry, right? That might be a table, might be something else. Some people want to buy slabs and do what they want with it, shape it to their will, right? So I'm going to keep on going. If the tree's too crooked, I have no choice. I have to plain saw it, okay? It's the most yield I'll get out of the lumber, but if it's straight, I cut it in half and then flip it and then quarter saw. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button. That's it for today. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.